pretty yucky outside.
I know.
Yeah, it was a hot day yesterday. I think we may get a few degrees hotter out there today, but it is a foggy start. Let's go ahead and show you the current visibilities right now because we are seeing dense fog stretching from Newark all the way south of I-70 into Lancaster, New Lexington, Logan, MacArthur, Athens at a half-mile visibility, Cambridge, Caldwell seeing pockets of dense fog, Jackson County, Vinton County, Pike County, and out towards Urbana as well. So it is definitely a foggy start for many of us. Now, if you're down along 23 from Columbus, Circleville to Chillicothe, you're not really seeing much in the way of fog. Now, one live view here is showing a little bit of fog out there at Buckeye Lake. If you look real closely here at your TV sets, you can see it kind of forming just there in the distance. But this bird's having no problem with the fog at all this morning with our live tower cam. Speaking of live, here's our 10 TV tower cam, and you can actually see the sun coming up, reflecting off the buildings. Beautiful start to the day, but boy, is it going to get hot real quickly this afternoon. We're already coming in at 69 degrees. The dew point's at 69. The winds are calm. So all of this is the recipe that we need for fog formation. If you're wondering to yourself, Maddie, why do you always talk about the dew point? Well, it's the measure of moisture in the air. And when we're talking dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s, that translates to oppressive conditions on your skin. So it's air you can wear, you feel it. It's almost like you're swimming when you're walking. So the dew points are going to stay pretty elevated, at least for the next 2 days, as that heat and humidity continue to build. Today's heat index looking toasty. Look at that, 90 degrees, what it's going to feel like for most of this afternoon. 91, perhaps the hottest here in the city of Columbus. Could feel even hotter than that in some of our southernmost locations. Just be extra careful, drink that water because it will be a hot day for us today. All right, what about rainfall? Well, satellite and radar picture, things are rather quiet here in the state of Ohio. But what I'm looking at right now, you can see the lineation right here setting up. This is a cold front that will eventually make its way into Ohio by tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. This will increase our coverage of storms, and it'll also increase the chances of seeing the showers and storms starting with tomorrow afternoon. But what we're looking at today is kind of a repeat forecast of yesterday. Yesterday we had the fog, then the fog evaporated. We saw the sun break out, beautiful blue skies, but then the heat and humidity, when they mix together, you get those cumulus clouds building. We saw that yesterday, and then we get a little bit of moisture kind of squeezing out of the clouds. By 5 o'clock today, it does look like we'll have some isolated showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder out there, say right around 5 o'clock. All of that will kind of subside as we lose that heating of the day, and we are looking pretty quiet for tonight. By tomorrow morning, you see these clouds here. I think we'll see another repeat of some fog, so perhaps another foggy start to our Thursday. But by tomorrow afternoon, aha, here comes the cold front. You'll see the lineation right here. Temperatures are going to climb real quickly by the afternoon, up to near 90 by noon in the city of Columbus. But as that cold front works its magic and moves in, it'll drop our temperatures to the 70s by 3 o'clock behind the actual front. So notice the storms rolling in from west to east, basically across the area tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. And that'll help to cool us off a little bit as we head towards Friday and heading into our Saturday. So if you like the cooler air, the less humid air, we do have that in the forecast too. Here's our 7-day forecast. You'll see a 20% chance for today. That's because I think it's going to be limited. I think just a few of us, just like yesterday, we'll see a pop-up shower or storm. Tomorrow, though, we've got that 70% chance because we've got more organized weather moving in along with that cold front. We'll start off in the upper 80s. We'll fall through the afternoon as that rain moves in, and then we'll be noticeably cooler as we go through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you're already looking ahead towards the weekend, the one thing I will note is that the driest day will be Saturday. Sunday looks like it'll have a better chance of showers and storms.